Thanks, Aaron. Appreciate that. Why is my... I will say the annoying thing about having a split keyboard is if you bump it, it just throws you off. All right. What up, Thelbra? Hello, Controllo and Vafi. Something doesn't feel right here. Yeah. Thank you, Controllo. Appreciate you. Yeah, same. I thought about putting like little tape markers on my desk to like once I figure out a spot so like I can easily put it back. All right. We need to go to for cell. And we need to go to this guy. We need to do some edits to this app this morning before we get into other stuff. Okay. I think I can copy my other one. We're going to do surgery on this app this morning. So I got an ask that to make some updates to this where every referral for a given referrer, which we started calling a nominator, gets put into the same block or the same email. So we got to fix that up. Thoughts on Ghosty? I love Ghosty. Checo got beat by Max from P11. Dude, I think there's a real chance that Checo's not on the grid at the end of summer break. Yeah, exactly, disgruntled. Thank you, Shreyas. Alright, here we go. We need to go to... What do we need to do here? What are everyone congratulating about? I got engaged last night. I think I just want to copy all of this over to the old app. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate that. Hyperpost. Let's see here. I have a video of it. If this is gonna play. She told me to shut up. Oh fuck. That's so funny. I forgot to unblur. Okay, so let me lay the background here. Wait, hold on. I noticed another thing that's broken. There we go. How does that get fucked up on the sizing every time? I feel like I have to edit this every day. So one of our good friends is a photographer. Yeah, I don't know why the audio is like, I heard the audio coming out of my MacBook. Let's see here. Input should be MacBook Pro. Output should be that. All right, that should be good on audio. Okay, here, I'll pause Spotify quick. Okay, so one of our good friends is a professional photographer, and I got him in on it, and basically he asked Justine if she and I would be willing to model for a photo shoot for him because he wanted to start doing couples photography more often, which is also true. So Justine then came and asked me like a month or two ago if I would model on a photo shoot with Michael, which like is what I planned. And so she already had like her nails done. She got her makeup done by Michael's makeup person. And like, so we're all done up, right? And yeah. I don't know. I think it's just really quiet. I don't know why it's so quiet. Because it's not quiet when I play it out loud. The little tippy taps. So yeah, that happened yesterday. I know I can't. I don't know why the audio is not coming through. I can't hear either, Shreyas. I think something. I'll see if I can figure that out for tomorrow. Because like when I play it on my phone, the audio is normal, but I can't hear it very well through my headphones. And I don't. Yeah, I don't know. I think we should switch for Arch. I can't go back to Arch, boys. It's too late. Okay, so let me get the music playing again. I think I'm just gonna copy this entire thing and we're gonna replace the old version of the app. So this guy here is what we're gonna replace. What's the best way to do this? Vim. Let's update quick. Let's update lazy. Reset and clear. Yeah, I agree with that, disgruntled. Okay, so the song queue is broken. There we go. So that's in our page. And how do we do this in here? Effect, hydrate, persist. All right, I think I just want to literally yoink G, come over here. That's the same file, right? Yeah. This is gonna break a lot of things, but that's okay. And then we want to come over here and we want to grab you, because this is a bit different now. And that's going to be, what do we call that? Store.svelte. Ah, son of a bitch. That needs to be .ts. And then we need, looked like a contact.svelte.ts. Yeah. And then we need one other thing, which is this. And that's a plus page ts, plus page ts, plus page ts, plus page.ts. Write that. Save that. And now let's go look at the layout. That seems fine. Maybe not, but we'll see. I'm being liberated. If you have to build a property booking engine that can list properties, book properties, manage invoices, members' payments, will you choose Go or Node or Bun? I would choose Go. Well, it depends. Depends on how fast I have to move, because I haven't written Go for a couple of years. So like if it's like a fast, hard deadline, I'll do it in TypeScript and Bun and just really lean on libraries like Neverthrow or Effect TS. Otherwise, I'd do it in Go. I'd probably do it in Go because like you could probably just, it's probably a pretty low scale application and you could probably just vertically scale a single server and have a bunch of processes running concurrently to manage all the different things you just listed there. So Go is probably a good fit. Here's my take on the Danny Rick, Red Bull, all that stuff. I don't really care about any of it other than Liam Lawson getting his seat in a car or getting a seat on the grid. I think that kid deserves it. I think we need to get some of the younger talent onto the grid instead of making them wait years. Let's get the old guard out that aren't that great. Let's get Bottas out, get Joe out, get Sargent out, get Stroll out, get Danny Rick out, get Checo out, get freaking, who else should go? Yuki is right on the line. Yep, 100%. Okay, let's see if we can run. Do I not have a Nix Flake in this? I must not. All right, let me Nix Shell. Like, Stroll shouldn't have that seat. It should be not Fittipaldi, the Brazilian kid. Who's the Brazilian kid that's the reserve driver who won F2 a couple years ago? Why is his name escaping me? God. He was so dominant like 2 seasons ago. It's Checo going to F2. I can't think of it. I know. Fucking Lawrence Stroll pisses me off. Ugh. So annoying. Alright. We gotta figure out what's going on here. Bun install. bun run dev. We probably need an mvarc. .mvarc. Actually, probably not. What does my vconfig look like? That seems fine. That seems fine. Routes. Page.svelte. Do we not have that installed? Good morning, JD. Exactly. I guess we don't have shadcn. Alright, we have to install shadcn quick. So shadcn. Did I not copy that to my clipboard? There we go. That's weird. Oscar is also my favorite on the grid. Okay, that looks good. All right, so then we need to add the button, bunx, shad, cn, svelte. Ah, shit, that's not what we needed. Add button. And then we need to add the card, right? Yeah, those should be the only two we need to add. All right. The store should be there. This is definitely a module. Export that, and there should be, yeah. It's not a module. I don't understand this error. Store.svelte.ts. It like sees it. That's not the right referral store. I need to go delete a bunch of code. this is garbage. Do drugs from the 80. I wonder if it's the language server. Because that is a valid export. So let's just get out of here. Yeah, I'm using Svelte 5. Dude, yeah. That was so bad last weekend, or 2 weekends ago. What up, ALS? All right. Let's see here. Fun every time. Or wait, this should be, yeah. I should be able to come down here, and can I do a bun run clean? Is that something that is? Okay, here we go. Components, link preview. Whoa, the fuck is this? Let's go ahead and run an update. Bun run update. Bun update. Is that how I do it? And then remove -rf, and where's my build folder? Was it .svelte? Yeah. Cannot use rest props in rune mode. Okay. Where am I using rest props? The fuck is a rune mode? It's new to Svelte 5. What if I comment that out? There we go. Yeah, great. All right, so we should be running on localhost. That's my personal site I was working on. What? That's not right. Doesn't look like I do have it running. There it is. Yeah, I started building my new personal site and I'm making it look like Vim. I think this is so cool. I'm gonna make it so like you can use J and K to navigate this menu, and if you press these keystrokes, it'll launch you into these. But that's not what we're working on today. This is what we're working on. There we go. So I think what I want to do here is, I think I want to move this referral line down into this section down here, and make it so we can add multiple rows of these. So the ask from the client is, let me see here. When you enter multiple referrals in with the same nominator, we don't want to create separate links/emails. I want to be able to click on one link that generates one email that contains a list of the hyperlinked referrals. This is Ghosty. I've been using Ghosty since like November, my guy. Where have you been, Shreyas? Yeah, man, I've been rocking Ghosty for a long time now. So we can go in here, and we're gonna want to update our store. And we're actually gonna want referrals to be a array of the contacts, which changes things. Or no. We still need a referral, and then we need a referrals. Yeah. What are we upset about in here? Right. This will just be an empty array to start. What up, web dev? Here, I'll share a good video with you guys. This is what got me on the Ghosty. I don't know Zig, I don't write Zig, but there's an excellent podcast by Christoph, who we raid occasionally. He runs a podcast called Zig Showtime. And he interviewed Mitchell Hashimoto, who is the founder of HashiCorp and Console and Terraform and I think Vagrant. Even if you don't give a shit about Zig or terminal emulators, this video or this podcast is so good just from a software engineering perspective, and it will make you appreciate Ghosty like a ton. It's so good. All right, so we have this referrals. We need like a how do we do this? We're gonna need, how do I want to do this? Why can't I get out of this? There we go. And this will take a referral. It's the contact. Okay. We need, I think a contact needs an ID.
Functions describe the world.
Thank you for the follow there. Appreciate it. I am engaged, Nightshade. Sorry to let you down. It could have been us. Thank you, Pascal. Appreciate you. You're surprised Justine said yes? You and me both, buddy. Fuck me. God damn it. Does anyone know if there's an equivalent library as Never Throw but for option? I have an option implemented too, but this is just a little bit more polished than mine. I could wrap Never Throws. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll just do that. All right, we just need to go edit this. All right, let's go to lib utils in here. We're just gonna make an option.ts. We're gonna do that. We're gonna open this. We're gonna kill the dev server. We're gonna bun install never throw. Then we're gonna come in here and we're gonna go to option. We're gonna import result from never throw. And then we're gonna just, what are we gonna do? How do I want to do this? I could take Gleam's route and just use results as options. Could do that. We could just have export error, export none, extends error. Do that, like literally. And then we can just throw that in here. And then we can just use the result since it's basically isomorphic to a option. Hold on, chat. I will be right back. Share stream's over. Okay. So we're gonna come in here and where are we at? We're in the wrong screen. Right here. That's good there. We can delete that. We'll go back to our component routes. It's in our page Svelte. Yeah. No, we need to go to our contact, and we're going to use our result. Import result from never throw. And then this is going to be a result of string or none, which makes it isomorphic to a option. And that's how we're going to do options. We're taking a page out of the Gleam playbook. Inside of some version of you. And this will be new none. In fact, we can let's go back to our utils, and we're gonna make a little constructor for this. We'll say export function none, and this is gonna return new none. Do that. Yeah. Right, we need to do I think we have to do that. Yeah, that should work. Or we could just generate the IDs here. Yeah, we could actually do that. Random. Do I have UUIDs in here? Do I have? There's gotta be a way. I mean, that works actually. I can just give it an ID. No, I need a library to do that. What is the library we use over here? Where am I? Why am I down in my Rust project right now? It's not what I want. Package JSON. Was it just ULID? Yeah, ULID. Bun install ULID. Yeah, which means we don't need the result type now. We'll just make this a string. We'll keep it super simple. No reason to overcomplicate this. And we'll do the same thing here. ULID. And we'll have, we need an empty referral. Okay, that's gonna work better. Okay, we don't need hydrate, we don't need persist, that's all good, that's all good. We need to get referrals. This will be read-only array. In fact, that shouldn't really even be read. Yeah, it should be. I guess we can make this a, rather than a array, it can be a map. Is that what we would want? No, it doesn't matter. We can just use an array. We'll say this dot referrals, and we want to say this dot referrals dot map referral. Just say, I don't know. Call this updated referral, and this will be, hold on, I gotta get set up here with my keyboard where I feel good. Okay. This is gonna be referral, and we're gonna say if referral.id is equal to updated referral, we're gonna replace it. Return updated referral. Otherwise, we return referral. Thank you, Nightshade. Appreciate it. All right, that seems decent there. Referral mail to link. This will just take a referral now. This won't be a getter. This will just take a referral, which is a contact. And then referral store.compile template, this can template. I think I added that there. Yeah. Now we need a function to add a referral. Set get. So let's actually move this to the top or bottom. Let's move it, the ones that aren't getters and setters, let's put it there. What Ismail? What's up, Ismail? Yeah, Ismail. Happy Monday. And let's say this is going to be a function public add referral that takes a referral and just pushes it into our array. And it'll return, what should this thing return? Void. Okay, that looks good. And then that all looks good. Referrals. We need a get referrals. I think I added that already. Set referral. This is not a setter anymore. This will be update referral. We can move that down here with you. And this will be that. So this will need, right. This is gonna need to be updated to be a list now. What is the way we want to do this? We basically have to loop over this bit here. So we'll say this dot referrals dot map. We'll have a referral. And we're going to return essentially this string. And this is going to take, I think this is a function that takes a referral. Yeah, so we'll pass in the referral here. And then contact.fullname. Yeah, I think that might be all we have to do. Let's run our type checker. No errors. Great. Ugh. All right, let's see how this looks. Let's see if this works as it is. Good old malware development going on here. I use Arch, by the way. Lancaster Jackster. Are you from Pennsylvania? Jackster? From another country? Gotcha. I grew up in a town in Pennsylvania right next to a city called Lancaster. Okay. Great. So now we can come in here. I built my very first PC last week and now moved from Windows to new Linux. Hell yeah, Lancaster, that's awesome. Good morning, Ascendancy. Welcome to the chat, both of y'all. Appreciate both of you hanging out. All right, I think this should actually be running. No, it shouldn't actually, because we need to update, we need to make a loop over here where the referral is. So this mouse is distracting. We have our nominators. All right, the referral bit. I think we want to take this and I want to move it down to the bottom. Like right here maybe. And this is going to end up being a loop. Is this actually, I should have type issues in here. Yeah, there we go. Store dot referrals, change word dot at 0. Yeah, that's okay. So we want to do, I forget how to do Svelte for loops. Let's just comment this out for now. Is that it there? Yeah, and let's just throw this into a temporary file. Throw that in there for now, and then go back. And let's see if this is running. I'm using NeoVim. That's my deployed version. Okay, this looks good. So we're still rendering. Great, and now let's come back in here and we'll add that back in. And we need to come up here. No, we need to go down here. We need to loop over, right. Which is gonna be calls, yeah. What is it? It's gonna be each referral as store.referrals. I think that's how I do that. No, I'm missing something. What are we missing here, chat? Each referral as store.referrals. I forget how to do this. Let's go look at the docs. Svelte.dev. Read the docs. Logic blocks. Each item is item. Oh, I had this backwards. So this is going to be as referral. Yeah, here we go. Should be a referral. Cannot reassign or bind. Okay, how do I get my index? So this will be index. Okay, that seems reasonable. Oh, fuck, I fucked this up. This will be first. And this needs a key on it, I think. I forget how I do keys. We'll figure that out in a second. That's why I made the IDs. That'll be last. And this will be email. Dot referrals, index in with the index. Dot email. And then we need to, how do I do a key? The syntax is that. So I think I just go as item, and then here I go space, and we say this is referral. And this will be referral .id as the key. There we go. Now we should see over here. Why? Happy Monday, friends, and congratulations to my boy DM Ori. Thank you, thank you. Yes, congrats, DM Ori. Welcome to the Engage Club. Some of you may know this, but I've been engaged, married, and divorced. So I've been through it before, but this proposal and engagement was so much more special and fun and cool than my first time through. Everything just went perfect, and there was a couple of people that were in on it for months. Yeah, it went so well, chat. Let me see if I can find this. Let me see if I can get the video working. Where the fuck is this? I don't know why the audio level is so low for this. So I played this already earlier, but our friend is a photographer, a professional photographer who's very, very good. Like gets brand deals and all this stuff. And I hit him up a couple months ago and I was like, hey, would you be willing to help me propose to Justine? Under the guise of, he's asked Justine to do model shoots for him before, and he's been looking to get into more couples photography. So he reached out to Justine and was like, hey, would you and Dylan be willing to model for me for a photo shoot? I want to start building my portfolio of like couple stuff. So then Justine asked me if I'd be willing to do this, which was my plan all along. And Michael, who's the photographer, works with like a makeup person. So Justine's hair and nails and makeup was all done, all under the guise of helping our friend. And hold on, let me see if, I don't know why the volume is so low. Photos, settings. It's so quiet when I play this. She told me to shut up. Her little bounce. It was great. It was perfect. It went down perfect. Thanks, Uber. What up, Purplish? All right. Why the hail? Oh, I bet this is a local storage problem. Hold on. Assignment. Bind this component 0. I think that's a bug in Svelte right now. Let's just nuke that. And we're gonna refresh. There we go. Yep, that's what I thought. All right, so let's add some margin there. This is surely in a flex box, right? Subject, template parameters. Where's the template parameters? Right there. So let's just add some margin top. Whatever, I don't care. There's better ways to do this, but I don't know, margin 2. How about 4? That's reasonable. And then we just need like a plus button. Do I have Lucide installed here? Or is it Lucide? I always forget what the frickin' Lucide Svelte. Yeah, that's what I want. That looks like North Carolina. It was North Carolina. I live in Raleigh. Have I tried React and Angular? I've worked in React for a decade now, which is crazy. I started learning React in the very end of 2014, and then I wrote it professionally from 2015 till now. I work at Vercel, so I do a lot of React and Next.js at work. Absolute Giga Chad. All right, so let's install Lucide. I do work at Vercel. I actually, as of a week or two, basically the beginning of last week, I'm officially the lead on our domains product. So my next couple months is going to be focused on cleaning up a bunch of tech debt around domains, getting it in a better place, and then hopefully rebuilding it and making it more integrated and growing the product line. Damn, I'm good. I live around Burlington for approx 20 years. A lot of my military career was in NC. Nice. Thanks, Robin. So yeah, basically getting our domains product in a better state than it is now is what I'm going to be focused on for like hopefully the next year. I had to move to MA last August to be closer to my parents for their order. Don't like this state, so I will make my way back at some point. Well, if you're ever making your way through NC and you want to grab a beer, coffee, or lunch, this goes for pretty much anyone. Just hit me up in like Discord or Twitter or something. I'd be more than happy to hang out with any of y'all and grab a drink or food. All right, let's install Lucide so we can get some easy icons. Cool, that's good. And in here we need like a probably just want a extra space Y2. We can just put an extra one of these guys in here, and we'll come down here, and this will be, rather than a label, this will be a Lucide plus. I'm sure there has to be a plus icon. Right. Let's see if we can import it. Import plus from Lucide Svelte. See, I knew there had to be a plus. We need a button. Let's see if we can get a shad CN button with an icon. Surely that has to be a thing with icon. Yeah. Okay, so we just wrap it in a button. That's really easy. What up, PJ? Well, if it isn't the Rizzler himself. Thank you, Aimiko. I can show you guys the video here in a little bit. I just played it, so I'm gonna wait a bit, but send email button. Where was that plus at? I should have been putting it right here. So this will be a button. We'll put a button, We'll close that up. And then in here, this will have our plus. And we can self-close that. And let's see what this looks like. Oh, do I not have the dev server running? Or did I crash it? Oh, I had to install right. I've been noticing this happens. Bun run dev build. It's like a dev server is not shutting down or something. See, that's such a weird, it's getting caught on something and I don't know what it is. I noticed it yesterday when I was working on my personal site. Okay, that should not be... Let's actually do this a little bit different. Let's get that out. And here, we're gonna grab a second button. And this is gonna... I want this. And this is gonna be... We're gonna add the plus. And then this is gonna be not that. One click is gonna be store dot add. The fuck is happening? My LSP is definitely broken right now. That's my biggest complaint right now with Svelte is the LSP feels kind of half-baked. What are we listening to? What is this? I'm gonna give this like another 20 seconds, but it might be get this skipped. Okay, it got better. Am I missing a div? Dot add referral. And then we'll come here and this will be contact. We want my own contact dot default. We'll do that. And this will be changed to there. Add another referral. And we'll add sort of like a send. It is kind of a weird song, but bits of it I fuck with. Mail plus, yeah, that's the icon I want. All right, let's see what that looks like. Right, so we're gonna grab, this is gonna be a flex call. Yep. And we're gonna say gap, I don't know, let's say 2. Yep. Gap 2. And this can have a smaller gap than it is. Margin top 8, we don't need that. So this can actually go in here. And we can get rid of that. Yeah, and now we need a gap in here. And let's say this is gap 2. Let's see what that looks like. How about gap 4? That looks good. Okay, this seems reasonable. And I should be able to click that. Yeah. We need a delete button. So let's add that quick. So let's go back to the store and add a function on here called delete referral. And this will be public delete referral. And this will get a contact. This will return a Boolean. And we'll do this dot referrals dot filter, and we'll get referral to delete. We'll get a referral here, send that over, and we'll say referral dot ID does not equal referral to delete dot ID, which I totally typoed that. Unsurprising. Whatever, we'll return void, I don't care. This is just a quick and dirty little tool. Go back to here, get rid of this. Page Svelte. According to the developer statistic, those who work on Svelte do not want to work on any other frameworks. Yeah, as someone who's worked in React and Next for basically a decade, Svelte, specifically Svelte 5, I still hold that I don't think I would like Svelte 4 a whole lot, but Svelte 5 with runes and stuff, and SvelteKit, it's super nice. I really, really like it. So in here, we're gonna add a button to delete. So this will be button slash button, and we'll have there's gotta be a trash can icon, right? Trash icon. And then we'll say delete referral. Actually, we don't even need that. We want to make the color red. See what that looks like? Oh, that's disgusting. Where am I? We want ghost. Yeah. So let's say this is going to be, is that a variant prop? Yeah. Rohan asks, how's the new portfolio site / personal coming? Looks like Envin, by the way. It's going well. I whipped that together in like a couple hours yesterday, and I was super stoked with how it came out for the little bit of work I put into it. It's hosted right now. It's just not working. If you go to dylanis.online, Dylan is online. We got it here. But these links don't work. The keybinds don't do anything yet. But when I get some I might do this tonight, depending on how far I get with this today. But yeah, I am super stoked with how this is coming out. I freaking love it. Okay, so I need to figure out why this is going to the next line, because it shouldn't. Oh, grid calls. That's why. This should be grid calls 4. And then down here on we need to make an on-click handler. So this will say on-click, and this will equals, we'll do a function where it will be this, and it'll be store.delete referral. Didn't we just add that? That should be fine. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, let's see if that worked. Oh God, this styling got it so ugly, but. Uh-oh.
Functions describe the world.
What up, Davey? So, why would that happen? Oh, because I didn't reassign. This referrals is equal to why is that read only? Referrals read only, read only, read only. Oh, is it as this as const? Where is the read only coming from? That's like literally not read only. Oh, do I not? I don't have a setter. This will take a referrals, which will be an array of contact. And then we'll say delete word, and that will just equal the new referrals. And this is going to return void. Okay, sure. All right, I think that should work. So if I come back over here, refresh, I should be able to start deleting these. Yeah, there we go. Great. All right, let's fix the styling a little bit here. I want to get that in line, and I want to make that look better too. Good morning, Miss Winnie. Good morning, fiance.
Good morning, fiance.
Hi, Bodhi. Slingshot, you can make me another coffee.
Yeah.
Can you use my Vercel mug?
Sure.
Dishwasher. I'll get it out.
Thank you.
Okay. Do you specifically like web development? Any other areas of programming you enjoy? I would say I like kind of programming across the board, but I definitely have the most experience in like full stack web dev. I came across your Twitter naturally just like 2 days ago. That's hilarious. I had some tweets pop off last week, so it's kind of not surprising. I rustled some jimmies of Java and C# devs with the tweet about the Gang of Four book. People really had some strong feelings on that one. All right, so the styling for this is going to be PHS Svelte. And I think we just need to...
You say plants doing better? Oh, sorry, man.
The button is in there.
Winnie, did you say good morning? Did you come with me and say good morning?
Oh. Good morning, Winnie. Good morning, Bodie. Yes. Good morning. Thank you for the kiss. All right, down.
Let's go get breakfast.
Is it time?
Let's go get breakfast. Come on. Yeah, let's get breakfast. Let's get you breakfast.
That's funny because I found your Twitter before your Twitch. Nice. I want to, let's see here. I forget what the right styling for this is. That's a big old honking button. I guess I could make this a div. I can make this a flex. This will be easy, actually. This will be flex, and then we'll say just flex call, and then we'll say justify center. And that should do it. Oh, not justify center, right? This will be, oh, I could do justify center and just make that row, right? No, disregard. This will be there, and this will be items center. Is that really right? Oh, because it's the full. Yeah, there we go. Then we can just give it like some padding bottom, bump it up. Perfect. And then we want to say item start. And then this will be grow. No? What if I put grow in this? Oh, I know what we can do. We need to do call spans because I did columns instead of flex here, which I could just change this to be a flex. In fact, I think I will do that. We'll say flex, flex, row. And then we'll say this needs to be full width. Good morning, Mr. Wizard. Okay, that actually looks okay. I want to highlight this one. So we want to put grow, I think, on these three. So grow, and then same thing here, and then here. Yeah. Perfect. And then we also need to center this button. Because now the button's not centered. So to center those, I think I just need to say self center? No. Self, I thought that was, is it this? No. Oh, I bet I could do MX auto. No? What is the freaking style here to get this right? This is in a flex column. I don't know. Yeah, I thought it was aligned center. Hold on. Hell yeah. I thought it was Tuesday. Did I have that wrong? Item center for align item center. Doesn't this have to be on the parent though? Oh, no, disregard. Let's see if this has a better icon than that one. Delete. Ooh, I kind of like this one. Trash 2. Yeah, let's use trash 2. Alright, get out of my way. 2. Yeah, that looks better. Alright, let's see if this works. Let's fill this out. So we'll say, I will be the advisor, Dylan Mulroy, gmail.com. The nominator will be John Deere. This will be john.deere@gmail.com. Come down here and we'll say Jane Doe, jane.doe@gmail.com. We'll add another, and we'll say this will be Jill Doe, jill.doe@gmail.com. And now if I click send email, if I paste, whoops. We have this random comma. That's about perfect. I just have to fix that comma quick. That's going to be in the store. Where did I put this at? Routes, store. And then there's a format somewhere in here. Yeah, right here. Where's the comma coming from? Referrals.map. That should fix that. All right, let's try this again. Let's refresh. This should all be in local storage. Send email. Yeah, that looks good. And now let me just send this to myself to see how it comes out.
Oh my gosh, she cried. She's so excited.
Okay, that looks good. Hi, Jane. That looks good there. Don't save. For Jill. Hi, Jill. Jill Doe. Perfect. We did a chat. Now we just have to migrate this over to the actual in-app version, and we can go back to Rust. In fact, I might just take a pause on Rust this morning and work on my personal site, because we don't have a ton of time. And we'll get back into Rust tomorrow morning. All right, let's deploy this, and I'll let the client know that this is ready. We'll say update UI and allow multiple referrals per nominator. Shit, I need to bump the local storage version. I have this little hacky versioning system here. Basically, if it detects a version that's not it, it nukes the storage. That's how I do migrations in local storage. Well, good enough for me. Go ahead and do that. Push. That should deploy. Oh, did I have a typo? Thank you. I make so many typos. Prospecting. Okay, there we go. And then I will let the client know that that's updated. Right? All right, we're gonna have to copy and paste. The nice thing is we're gonna be able to literally copy and paste this into the actual project dashboard, and it'll be fine. Come on, why is this taking so long to, there we go. We should be able to refresh here now, and this should be totally different. Yeah, let's go. I dig it. Perfect. That's perfect. So let's go copy this over to the actual, is this page Svelte? And this will be in the prospecting tool, routes, authenticated, dashboard, prospect, and it's this component. So let's go there, drop that in there, and now we got to go grab the store. G. And we'll go to the store. and replace this component. And then we need to go grab the contact as well. And we'll go back over here and we'll go into contact and paste that in. And now that should be working. Let's make sure the dev server's dead over here. It is, great. Over here. Let's save everything. And let's do a bun update. Oh, I'm in the Rust project. So let's go up to front. And let's do a bun update. And a bun build, run build. This stupid freaking problem again. Something is happening. Something weird is happening with Svelte and ES Build. I noticed this when I was working on my personal site yesterday. It's like something gets stuck and doesn't properly terminate. And if I delete node modules and reinstall, I think it's fine. So I'm just gonna hope that this is happening for other people and there's already issues open. All right, let's run bun run dev. And let me see if I have a test account seeded already. All right, I should have one. Let's just go through the full flow. Been about a week since I went through it. Make sure nothing's broken. So let's just go to localhost. That's not good. Tenant or user not found. Hold on, let me go take care of the dogs. Hey, what are we doing? All right. I'm guessing this is going to be like a local storage problem, potentially. Okay, no, we're just straight up getting an error here. Just one more time and see if we... All right. Tenant or user not found. I wonder if we're having a connection error. We are. That's coming from... I'm assuming I have... Are we going to leak my creds on stream this morning? So let's go to... we should just quit out of this because this isn't actually what we want. And let's go ahead and do up into front. And let's go ahead and do a, what do we need to do in here actually? Just back into Vim, and then we want to search for schema. Actually, DB, and this should actually be, I think this is database URL. Yeah, let's try that. That should be a good URL. Yeah, there we go. That's better. So let's sign up for an account, and we're gonna go through this whole flow right here. Sign up, I'll say Dylan Mulroy, ASDF, ASDF, create account, son of a bitch, ASDF. Now we should have to go through our onboarding survey, and we'll say, I've been in business for, really? I thought I had all this fixed. This is infuriating when this just stops working. I'm on main. I wonder if main's the same as development. Right. Yeah, it's all the Rust stuff. That should be okay. You need a distance leak creds widget? I know, dude. It's so bad. All right, so it's up to date with develop. So we're broken again. This is, I'm so tired of this survey breaking. I thought we fixed this the right way last time. All right. Are we getting console log errors? Let's run bun run dev. And we should get kicked here. All right, why is that not causing that to blur? Yeah, I'm starting to think computers are no good either. I kind of want to just like go buy a cabin in Asheville and hunt and fish and live off the land. So this is going to be under authenticated onboarding in here. So let's go ahead and add our handy dandy. Let's put in a little break. And then we're going to put in our super debug. Data is going to equal our, what is that going? The store, I guess. The fuck? Okay, yeah, so that's not changing. Why? It's binding to a non-reactive property, but it should be. How did that just jump to? How does it think it's on question 3? Oh, I thought I fixed this, chat. We create a new store. Our store looks like this. Why is the reactivity not working? Okay, this seems like it's a work in progress. Is this the same issue? Yeah. Where's that one that there's a merged one in here, wasn't there? Where was the merged one? Maybe there wasn't. Let's try this. We'll say, so this is an event. Can I just make this value?
Sorry, I was on the phone for a while. I meant to make you this a while ago.
Thank you, boo.
Also, your mom texted me. Did you hear me? Your mom texted me this morning and said, "Good morning, future daughter-in-law."
Oh, that's adorable.
It's so cute.
That's adorable.
Did you tell Uncle John?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good. That's the only other person I was thinking of. But okay, goodbye.
Functions describe the world.
Do I need to do this? It doesn't seem like I should have to do this, but it's still not being reactive, like at all. Why? Why would this be the case? Like, this should just work. We new up the store. And the store should have reactive state in it, right? So like the default state is an option. When we call the constructor, we set it to sum. Oh, I bet I have to do this. I bet I have to do that. I bet that will fix the problem. Maybe not. Because it's already reactive, so it should be fine. Yeah, what was that error? Yeah. That's what I thought. I swear this was working. So frustrating. So something's happening with this bind. Like this bind is clearly not working. So when we get current question, we just unwrap the current question and get it. And this should be deeply reactive state, so it should be fine. I think Svelte 5 has some helpers to test the reactivity of stuff. So let's go look if we have anything that can help us debug this. We have an inspect. Bindable state is, sometimes you need, I guess we look at inspect. And we'll inspect in here, I guess. And we'll inspect store. And then we also want to go into our base question, and I want to inspect the question. Computers were a mistake. All right, so we did get some upgrades there. So let's just add all of these. Let's update drizzle quit. I don't even know how to split my thing anymore. What is my key? Is it... There we go. I need to change that keybind. So let's say bun install. We'll update vitest, that's fine. At v2.0.4. And then we can update my prelude library, which we should just replace for never throw anyways, but whatever. v.0.5. What else can we update here? Drizzle kit. At what version? Why didn't this actually update them? Like, that's what I want to happen when I run an update. v0.23.0. And then prettier tailwind. Is that everything? We upgraded drizzle kit. We updated. Let's grab this. And that goes to, we have to update ruined too. Zero 065. That's not what I wanted to do. Which tweet? Thanks, Jacob. Yeah. I'll play the video here again. Oh no, I just spilled coffee. Fuck. I'll be right back. I gotta get a paper towel. God damn it. You coming in? How you doing?
Functions describe the world.
Okay, that should be okay. Okay. I don't know what I just did over here, but it's fine. We need to, what was the last thing I just ran? Did that install? Yeah, we got prettier. Can I just run bun upgrade? Bun upgrade Lucide Svelte. Bun update Lucide Svelte. Zero to no. No, that's not what I want. Can I have it upgrade a major version? What happens if I make it install? All right, that worked. Bun install ruined. We installed 0.15. Great, that worked. We need to bun install drizzle orm. 0.3, yeah, okay, so that seems to upgrade them. All right, I think everything's upgraded. So let's just do a good old bun build, bun run build. Yeah, we'll do that. Bun I. Can really close this. Yeah, our dependencies are up to date. And then we can do a bun run build, and this should build now. Oh, we still have errors. All right, so we do have a genuine error here. And that's going to be, we grep for home. Looks like it's here. Can't find home. Yeah, we want to get it out of here. Home and mail search. And we can run bun run format. I hardly did, but I did, yeah. I think it's so funny because one of the first times I saw her on screen, we asked if she was his wife, and she said not yet. Yeah, she had no idea it was coming. All right, let me get these build errors taken care of. I don't know what the frack is going on here. Something is so broken, chat. Bun, run, build. Please build. Please build. Please build. All right, we're built. Great. This should be happy now. LSP restart. Yeah, okay. All right, before I go on, let me show the video again. I said I would show the video again. I just love watching this video too. It's so good. Everything worked out so well. All right, you guys ready? So the whole ploy here was that our friend's a photographer, and he messaged her and asked her if we would model for him to help build his portfolio for couples photos. And he works with a makeup artist, so she got like her nails done, her hair done, makeup done, like everything under the guise of just helping our friend out. Good old bait and switch. The first thing she said to me was, "Shut up." She turned around, she said, "Shut up." Oh yeah, Michael's way taller than me. I'm relatively short. I'm only 5'10". Michael's probably like 6', 6'1", somewhere in there. Let's try running the server again. Bun. Let's see here. I got my keyboard all out of whack now. A little bit like that. Perfect. Bun, run, dev. Oh, music. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to switch over to working on my personal site for the last couple minutes because this is an annoying problem. Dude, I have no idea why this isn't working. How can I debug this quick? Is there anything I can do to debug this? Let's see if this setter is even being called. Set current, that wasn't what I wanted. I want set current question. That's what I wanted. So if we do that, and now we come over here. Okay, so that setter is never even being called. So it's like losing its reactivity. Current question, get current question. And like this has to be working because we would see an error raise if it didn't. Yeah, current question. We see that come out. It's just like the state's not deeply reactive. All right, I'm gonna try one thing super fast. We're gonna get rid of the option. All right. And this is going to say this dot current question index is just equal to index get. What are you talking about? State is red right here. How is that even a thing? That seems wrong, right? Maximum call stack exceeded. Oh boy. All right, we're going to save this problem for tomorrow. I'm going to spend the last 10 minutes working on my personal site because I don't feel like dealing with this issue right now. I don't know how this could be. So we're still getting that call stack. Okay, we're skipping this one. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on here. This is confusing the hell out of me. I'll look into this. All right, personal site time. Now, if we come over here, we get this nice 404. Nice. All right, so I want to start adding some color to this. We're using Capuchin as our color scheme. Let's see. Let's pull up the Capuchin color scheme. I'm thinking that like the color doesn't apply until we hover it. So let's do a hover on these. So like let's do Twitch. Twitch is an easy one to get a color for, right? So we'll say on hover, we want what do we want? The background color is going to be
the world.
It's like subtext 1, maybe. That's too much. Because like when we hover, I'm trying to get like this hover I have here. I don't know what color that is in the Capuchin palette. Let me pull up this over here. Capuchin, yeah. Where's the palette, Macchiato? Maybe it's subtext 0. Isn't that what we were just using? Subtext 0. That doesn't look right. What fucking color is that? We can look it up by looking at Capuchin and Vim, and then we can just go look at the highlights. Where do we apply the highlights at? In it? Groups. Editor. Oh, it looks like it's doing something here. OSX has a color picker. Oh, okay. Digital color meter. I had no idea about that. So we want, can I get, that seems really long for a hex code. 495170. 495170. RGB to hex. 495170. 4951 70. Copy that. I just lost my paste buffer. Yeah, there we go. And we want some padding. So let's do like a P1 and see what that looks like. And then we want to center the icon. Items center. Yeah. And then we want to apply a color. What's the Twitch purple? Twitch purple hex code. And we'll say, I should be able to wrap this in a span, right? And this will be class equals hover and color. Or it'll be what? I need to make sure I don't have a meeting right at 10 chat, so give me 1 second. Nope, I'm good. All right, so I can, the thing I'm working on right now, we spent most of the stream working on my client project, but I hit a bug and I got really annoyed, so now I'm working on my personal site for just a couple more minutes. I gotta wrap up here in a second. And then this needs to wrap the span. Let's go look at that. Okay, that didn't work. Am I gonna need state for this? I really don't want it. Because I kind of want the color not to happen until I hover it. Or should I keep the color? I could also just use Capuchin colors, which would be... I gotta go look up the palette quick. Where was that? I have that up on another screen. We could use lavender or mauve. Let's use mauve. Yeah, let's see what this looks like. It's annoying that that doesn't take the color from the color from the parent. Yeah, I made an agreement with the client that I could live stream it. The source is closed source, but so I kind of only want the color applied on hover. So I really just don't want to add state for that. If I do this, text, and then I get rid of this. Why is that? What the hell just happened there? So there, that looks like that worked, right? I could do this the easy way. I know the easy way here. Check this out. It's hacky, but and we'll say the text color will be class equals text capuchin text. In fact, that's probably what all of these should be. This should be where do I set the color in here? Do I have text color anywhere? I don't. So let's set this on main. And we'll say this is going to be text. Yeah, we want that. Sure. And then we'll do, I don't want that for everything though. Kind of liked, we'll do it in here, text. Yeah, do that. And then when I hover this,
describe
yeah,
the world.
that's what we want. I kind of want to figure out how to make this go the whole way. Let's actually see what this looks like again. Okay, that seems decent. Yeah, yep. Good luck. Why did that not work? That should work though. I wonder if I just need to recompile because it's a new class that I haven't seen. Why? It's happening so briefly. Am I crazy? I feel like I'm seeing it happen. You can see it switch. It's like right when I go over it. I swear I've done hover cursor pointer before, and then it would be the normal state is just cursor. What's the default one? Cursor none. So wedding rings become just stranger things.
Functions describe the world.
I don't know why that's happening. That's so weird. I feel like I've done this a million times. All right. Either way, I gotta wrap up chat. Time for the day job. So let's find somebody to raid. Toggle bit. Prime's going. Let's see here. I think I'm going to raid Prime because I'm gonna watch Prime. All right, gang. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you for all the congratulations. I super appreciate all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll be back tomorrow and hopefully get this stupid onboarding survey Svelte stuff fixed up. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow and hanging out in Prime stream.